We are pleased to show you the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.